So hello everybody, guys, today I'm showing you this front lace topper for women to give you complete freedom if you have any kind of baldness, like partial baldness or the complete baldness. So this is the perfect solution to give you the natural look. So let me give you some details about this hair topper. It is made with 100% Indian human hair. So this hair is 100% human hair, cuticle aligned, which you can retexture. For example, if you want to make it curly, you can make it curly. You can iron it to make it straight if you want to. You can color it without any problem. It is 100% original human hair. Now let's talk about the details of this topper. Let me show you the inside view of this topper to give you the better idea. So it's a French lace topper with very thin skin all this side, and it's a front lace topper, so which gives you a very natural look. So once you part your topper in any side of parting, it will give you a very natural look, and this area gives you the extra hold while you paste it through glue, or you can use clips as well. So it gives you the complete freedom how you want to use, and moreover it depends on the baldness as well, that how you can use this topper. Now let me give you the front look of this topper. So if you think, just come closely to show our buyers. If you come closely and see this area, for example, you've parted like this. So this front hairline comes with a very natural hair. You can see that. So it looks very natural while you put this on your head. So this is the perfect topper to give you the complete freedom from your baldness. So you can buy this topper at wholesale price. The details are given in the description box, so you can buy this. We do sell domestic as well as international market, so place your order now.